All right, April 15th here, Tuesday late afternoon. I put it in the frame without plexiglass just to see how it looks. Thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback. Yeah, thank you, darling. And my studio assistants. Okay, going clockwise from lower left. Allegorical sea monsters. We have 3 sketches I did of seaweed in August 1987 in Aberdeen, Scotland, presumably on the beach. I used to take walks there. There's 2. This I drew in West Palm Beach, Florida in the early 1990s. Made me think of a cloud. What was it? Like an anthill. Karen Hunt, of blessed memory, one of the victims. She was only 20 years old. She was probably born in around 68. Several houses and a tree I drew from the kitchen window and backyard of friends in Monteith, Scotland in 2011. And one of my teaching trips to schools in Angus. And seagull and whatever this little plane was I drew. It was all in a drawing. And I did a allegorical sea monster here in the sky. Just a day or 2 ago. All right. Donald Trump in 2015 praised Muammar Gaddafi, who had taken responsibility for the bombing of the Pan Am Flight 103, which blew up over Lockerbie. I've actually taken the train by Lockerbie on my way to Glasgow. All right, there you have it. Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights 60.